My dear students, how are you? I hope you are well by the grace of Allah. I am Rohit Sarkar, your English teacher. Now I am going to teach you a lesson. Today's lesson is Unit 5, Lesson 2, Environment Pollution. Now look at the blackboard. There are 3 questions. Number 1, what do you see in each picture? There are 4 pictures. There are 4 pictures in this class. Picture number 1, picture number 2, picture number 3 and picture number 4. Now try to answer these questions. And first of all, you have to answer about this picture. Picture number 1, we can see in picture number 1, there are many vehicles in the road. And try to understand what is happening in this picture. We can see in this picture many vehicles in the road and they are throwing carbon dioxide. And this carbon dioxide is the main cause of air pollution. And picture number 2. Look at the picture number 2. It is a picture encourages people to use compressed natural gas, that means CNG, or liquid petroleum gas, that means LPG, for fueling their cars. The environment may recollect hazardous industries like brick kilns to areas away from human habitats. In the area where people live, we should establish the industries such as brick kilns and any other industry. While we avoid this type of industry in a local area, it cannot pollute the air too much. Number 2, water pollution. Water pollution can occur in oceans, rivers, lakes, ponds and underground reservoirs. That means water may be polluted in rivers, lakes, ponds and underground water. As different water sources flow together, the pollution can spread easily and quickly. Causes of water pollution include water pollution may be occur in many ways, such as increased sediment from soil, erosion, improper waste disposal and littering, leakage of soil pollution into water supplies, organic materials that decay in water supplies. We can see that in many ways water can be polluted. In fact, polluting the land means polluting the water. That means polluting the land means polluting the water. Throwing away a toxic substance on the ground near a water source means it eventually reaches the body of water. That means while we throw anything in the water, water can be polluted. As a result, the water is polluted. Industrial waste must not be disposed in rivers and lakes. That means industrial substance and industrial substance cannot be thrown away in the rivers or lakes. While we throw these kinds of thing in water, water can be polluted very quickly. We need to be more careful about disposing household waste too. That means we must be careful. When we throw any disposed thing in the water, water can be polluted easily. Therefore, we must be aware of the dangers of using pesticides as they may pollute our rivers, canals and lakes. Pesticide, that means the things which pollutes the water very quickly. My dear students, at the end today's class, I suggest you stay home because at present time the world is suffering from a coronavirus pandemic, and in this period you have much time in your hand and you should stay at your home and read more and more. And you know that student life only time for reading, and reading is the duty of the student. So you should read all kinds of textbooks and any other related books of your topic. At the end, I welcome you. Thank you very much.